How to apply CSS to half of a character. There is no direct way of applying CSS to half of the character, but in this tutorial, I will show you how to achieve this. To start, let's create a dev with a class of half character. This will hold our character. Let's also add an attribute called Datacar with the same value as our character. I will duplicate this so we can make a word. And update it accordingly. Next, let's make a bigger font size for these characters so you can clearly see. Add a display inline block and position relative. Now, let's insert content before the half character element. The element will be the value of its Datacar attribute. Copy the same CSS to insert the same content after the element. Let's update their colors. Set the position to absolute. Set the top and left properties to 0. I'm going to comment or hide the other characters so we can clearly see what will happen. Set the stack of the before element higher than the after element. Now, to add a mask and to create an illusion of applying the CSS on half of the character, add the clipPath CSS property to mask. First, let's try to cut it vertically. The two zeros define the top left corner of the element. 100% and 0 define the top right corner of the element. 100% and 50% define the bottom right corner of the element, halfway down the element. 0 and 50% define the bottom left corner of the element, halfway down the element. The resulting shape is a rectangle covering the element's top half. Any part of the element that falls outside of this rectangle will be hidden from view. Remember to add position absolute to both elements. Also, let's change the text color of the base character, so we don't see a tiny black stroke on the output. Now, let's remove the comment and show the other characters. Next, let's override and create a new clip path that covers 50% of the character at a 90-degree angle. %, and 0 define the top center of the element. 100% and 0 define the top right corner of the element. 100% and 100% define the bottom right corner of the element. 50% and 100% define the bottom center of the element. 50% and 50% define the center of the element. Thank you for watching.